how to convert WPS Office to PDF. So if you want to convert WPS Office to PDF, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your WPS Office application. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Once it's open, you need to tap on the plus option, which will be on the bottom right of your screen, to start a new project. Now click on the document option. Then select the blank document to start with a fresh canvas. After that, you need to type the word or text you want to include in your document. Then click on the icon in the text bar and change the color to suit your design. Next, adjust the size of the text to fit your needs. Once you're happy with it, you need to click on the file option at the top of your screen. I'll go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be on the top of your screen. Now you just need to simply go with an option, Save As. Now from the options, you need to go and select PDF and then tap on Export as PDF. And in this way, you'll be able to convert WPS Office to PDF. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.